Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another SAP very commonly used topic. Today we'll talk about reading CSV files and TSV files. So without any delay, let's begin. So let's talk about CSV and TSV. What is the meaning of these two? CSV is comma separated values. TSV is tabular separated values. So we'll see, I guess many of you will know about CSV reading, but I'll show how to read TSV as well. So the first program we're looking at is about the CSV reading. Here we have a class CLRSDA CSV converter that helps you to read or to create a class to read a reference object of the data class that we are going to read. So what we have to do is we have to call the create with the delimiter with two parameters which is being passed to the method here as a reference parameter. One is the delimiter and another is the separator. So if you pass this, you will get the object of CSV converter. So for then you have to create the line type just like the targeted table, which would be a dynamic table to referring to the target table. Then you link it, then you get the data in GUI upload, read and upload the CSV file, and then you can separate the values by the object reference CSV converter. It can call the method CSV to structure, which will give you the actual data in the structure mode. You can simply append this structure into the table, to the output table, which you want to use. Now let's talk about how to write CSV and download it. So what you have to do is you have a table, then you have the whole data. You can add the indentation or the target table that is separated with commas. So you just need to add comma whenever there is the next field. That is how there is a field separator, which will be comma in this case. It will just add all the values and comma in between. Then the data is generated and it can be simply downloaded by a regular GUI download. This we use very commonly for download purposes. Now to the tabular separated values, to upload it, the regular GUI upload will work. You can simply pass the file type as ASCII and pass the file path where it will take from, and has field separator needs to be true. That will get the data in the changing tab. For writing the TSV file into, or maybe I should say downloading the TSV file, what you have to do is one need to create a line, and the lines will have the data from the table. Each of the data will come in the line, and one tab will be appended, horizontal tab. This you can see on the screen, the character horizontal tab. That means you have a line of a table that is having a name, age, and city. Consider an example: Ram 22 and Delhi. Then it will be Ram, then a tab, then 22, then a tab, and then Delhi. So this will be appended line by line into a table, and then you can pass it simply to GUI download. Just to note that you have to put the file time as DAT, file time, and you need to pass the data table and the file path as well. So this is how you can use the CSV and TSV file seamlessly for download and upload. And once you upload, you get in the internal table. Once you download, you get the file. So this is how this operation works. I guess this is clear for you. If you like the video, you can like our video and subscribe our channel and share with your development or functional colleagues. This was for today. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.